Thank you to All Laundry Detergent for sponsoring today's segment. More than 31 million Americans live with eczema, and October is Eczema Awareness Month. It's the perfect time to learn ways to care for sensitive skin. Here to help is dermatologist and skincare expert, Dr. Lindsay Zubritsky. Hi, welcome.
Thanks so much for having me. I'm excited to be here.
Yeah, I'm excited to speak to you a bit more about this. Dr. Zubritsky is a partner of All Free Clear Laundry and is a trusted source about all things dermatology and routinely contributes to national publications. And we are going to get into some questions here. Okay, doctor, there are some easy ways to manage sensitive skin and conditions like eczema. What are those?
Absolutely. There are several easy ways to keep your skin looking its best. So for those living with eczema, routine skincare and using the best products for your skin needs can help minimize that risk of flare-ups. In addition, I recommend taking short, lukewarm showers, and anything that touches your skin should only contain simple, quality ingredients. Also, a lot of people don't realize that a laundry care regimen can be an additional step.
Yeah, you mentioned laundry care detergent and those things, but what are some other ways that people don't realize can help limit irritation?
So another way that can limit irritation is simply by choosing the right laundry detergent. Something like All Free Clear is what I personally use and recommend. For those with eczema prone or sensitive skin, it's important to use a laundry detergent that's fragrance free, won't further irritate the skin. All Free Clear is 100% free of dyes and perfumes and hypoallergenic. In fact, it is the #1 recommended detergent brand by dermatologists like me, allergists, and pediatricians for sensitive skin, and received the seal of acceptance from the National Eczema Association.
Yeah, what are some of those specific things that we should be changing to help minimize those eczema flare-ups?
So one tip that I give my patients is to add a humidifier to your bedroom. So as the season goes on, as the weather gets colder, air tends to dry out, which can dry skin out. So a humidifier will add moisture to the air, which can reduce the risk of skin drying out. Additionally, when it comes to moisturizers, look for products that contain ingredients that are naturally found in our skin, like ceramides, to prevent further water loss.
What can what we are wearing on a daily basis impact our skin?
So it's important to choose fabrics that are non-irritating. You want to avoid fabrics that are synthetic, made with polyester, wool, nylon. That can aggravate sensitive skin. Instead, you want to choose fabrics like cotton, bamboo, silk, cashmere. It's also important to use laundry detergent that's gentle on our skin, like All Free Clear, which provides an effective clean and can help remove seasonal allergens.
Sorry, there's Dr. Zubritsky, what are some tips for doing laundry with sensitive skin specifically?
Yeah, beyond choosing a gentle but effective laundry detergent like All Free Clear, I recommend using hot water and adding an extra rinse cycle for the deepest clean. Additionally, those with sensitive skin don't necessarily have to shy away from softeners or dryer sheets. All Free Clear fabric softener and dryer sheets are also 100% free of perfumes and dyes, so people can really embrace that full laundry regimen, a benefit people with eczema-prone skin don't always know that they can have.
Yeah, Dr. Zubritsky, I love that you're sharing these tips. We were just speaking earlier about how common eczema is, and I think this is definitely something that I think people don't think about, but where can people go if they want more information?
For more information about everything we talked about today, head over to all-laundry.com.
Hey, thank you so much for speaking to us today, and thank you again to our sponsor, All Laundry Detergent.